Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to change the language on WhatsApp on a laptop. If you don't like the currently selected language, then you can change it using the method that I will share in this video. Before that, I will explain first. I have changed my WhatsApp icon. The icon is a lock like this. For those of you who want to change your WhatsApp icon, you can watch my previous video. Click on the video in the description. The next step is to change the language on WhatsApp on your laptop. Pay attention to this small arrow to follow the steps. Now we have successfully changed the language on WhatsApp laptop. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.